Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos and videos on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Open the chat where you want to send the disappearing photos or videos. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on the Photos option. Select the photo or video that you want to send. Before sending, look for the one icon next to the Add Caption option. Tap on this icon to activate the View Once feature. This setting ensures that photo or video can only be viewed one time by the one who receives. Finally, tap the Send button to share your disappearing photo or video. The recipient will now be able to view your media only once before it disappears. And this is how you can send disappearing photos and videos on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.